Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we will discuss the concept of block level elements and inline level elements. So broadly in the HTML markup language, all the elements are grouped into two categories. One is block level elements and inline elements. So let us understand what block level and what inline level means. See, block level means the name itself indicates that these elements are used to represent blocks. Okay, some blocks in the web page. Okay, so block elements are used to define block structure of the web page. So generally, these block level elements occupies 100% width of the web page from left to right. So if you define any block level element, any content with the block level element, then it will occupies the entire width, okay, of the screen, right? So the for example, and also it will insert line breaks before and after. One line break will be inserted by default. That is called a block level element behavior. Okay, so in the last classes we saw so many block level elements without knowing. For example, in the first class itself we saw h1 to h6 heading tags. So all these heading tags belongs to block level elements, because if you insert some content inside these heading tags, it will automatically insert the line breaks, and it will automatically occupy the remaining total width of that particular line. Okay, we will see it in our VS Code practically. So let me explain first, then I will see. I will explain with the VS Code. And the div tag is the first time we are dealing with. Div is very important in the HTML. So to structure up the code, to rearrange the code, and to segregate the code, some parts of code, we need this div. Very important. Div means division tag. Okay, so this is also a block level. And form tag, we didn't reach at that stage yet. And OL UL, you already know, these are also the block level tags, friends. So block level means it will occupy 100% width, and by default it will insert the line breaks. Okay, and then inline level elements means it doesn't occupy full width in the screen. It will occupy the required space for the content, but not occupied the total space, friends. Okay, so generally these inline elements are used inside this block level. Okay, so let us understand it in a VS Code. Okay, so let's move to VS Code. Before moving, we will make some note. So we should not use block level elements inside inline level elements. Okay, so otherwise the page will not render correctly. Okay, let us move to VS Code and open our web browser. Right here, I say for example take P, well known P tag, P tag. So I am studying HTML, right? Okay, let us save it. Okay, it's appeared. Okay, fine. It is appearing here, right? It is appearing here. For our eyes it is appearing here only, but internally it will occupy this total line till here. Okay, in this format it doesn't make sense. If you apply some background color, then the originality of this paragraph tag will be understood. Let me add some color. Style is equal to background color. Back GROUND background color. Color, say what color? Yellow. Let me give yellow. Okay, what we have done, we had applied background color as yellow. Okay, so this text background color, not text color, it's a background color. Let us save. Here you can see now, this is the reality of paragraph tag. Okay, so actually the text is up to here only, but it occupies total line. So that's why the background color has gone from entire stretches from left to right totally completely, and you cannot insert any elements inside this. Okay, so it occupies uh, from left to right in that line, and it automatically inserts the page break also. Okay, if you take some b tag means bold. I am bold. Sorry, I am bold. Okay, let us save. Here I didn't use any break tag. You observe, I didn't use this break tag. So this break tag is for line break. So it implicitly is doing that functionality. The line break has implicitly happened. Okay, inbuilt line break will be there before and after. So that's why I am bold will came and display it in the next line, next new line. So this is the line break by default. Okay, so that is the difference, friends, and let us discuss div tag. So division tag, very important. Division tag. So in this division tag, say some headings are there, for example h1 headings. Let us say web developer, like heading is there. Okay, so let us save it. Okay, here now you can see web developer. For our eyes it is appearing like this, that is a web developer, but internally it is, this web developer is a division, it is apart, it is separate from I am studying HTML and I am bold elements. Okay, because we are separated this web developer using division tags. So if we apply some background color to it, then you can able to understand it. Background color, say some red, we will give red. Okay, let us save. Here you can see. So this is also a block level element. That's why it stretches, it occupies total width. So if you add any number of elements, if you add to this between these div tags, all will become one block. Okay, save. Here you can see web developer, all will become in one block, and it stretches its width from left to the right. Okay, but it is, this red block is separate from I am studying HTML and I am bold. Okay, that is one division. If you want to make this P and B is also one division, then you can use div like this. Okay, right, and you can save it. Now you can apply same background style. What's that? Background color. Some say what we will give green, and we'll just take away the this one. Okay, now you can able to see. So this is one division red, and this is one division. So these two divisions are apart from each other. Okay, so this is the block level element, and now we will discuss about inline. Some inline elements we will discuss. Generally span. Let's span tag. So take one paragraph tag. So inline elements, what we had learned, inline elements are generally used inside the block level elements. So paragraph is a block level element. Inside we can use the inline elements, friends. Okay, so let us take I am very much. Here you can use span. Hungry. So if you want to give style to the individual elements, then the span will be very much suited, friends. And let me put it in blue. Okay, then save. Here you can see I am very much hungry. So now you can see the background color doesn't stretched to the end. Just it highlighted the hungry itself. That's it. Because we had placed this hungry that word inside this span tag. So that's why it spans to that word, particular word only, but it doesn't span to the entire width of the web page. So that is the functionality of inline elements, friends. Okay, so this is about block level and inline elements. So all the other elements are like that only. I had given some examples, so you can practice it by yourself, and it is not possible to explain each and every tag, friends. Okay, so the basic idea I am giving. So rest of the tags you can practice and see. So okay, friends, in the next class we'll come up with some other topic. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.